What's cooking, my fellow foodies? Today we are recreating one of my favorite dishes from Wildfire restaurant, the fancy macaroni and cheese dish. I cannot wait for today's recipe, so let's get started. Today's ingredients can be found in the description box below. On medium heat, cook 1 whole pack of thick bacon. Let it cool on a plate lined with a napkin to soak up the excess oil. Steam asparagus until fork tender, about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on thickness. Go ahead and start your noodles. Today I'm using Cellentani noodles. It's in the shape of a corkscrew, which makes the dish more fancy than just a regular macaroni noodle. Chop your asparagus and bacon. Add as much bacon and asparagus to the dish that you prefer. Using a white Velveeta cheese block, cut off 1 pound and cube it so it will melt quicker in the pan. And this is the star of the show, white truffle oil. I got this on Amazon and I'll link it in the description box below. This, my friends, will elevate your macaroni and cheese dish to a restaurant quality level. It tastes and smells amazing. On medium heat, add 1/4 cup butter cube. I use non-salted so I can control the sodium in my dishes. Once butter is melted, add 2 tablespoons flour. Whisk continuously for about a minute. You will start to see the flour brown slightly. Then add 1 cup of whole milk slowly while whisking to avoid any lumps. Then once your milk starts to boil, remove from the heat and add cheese and whisk till melted and smooth. Then add 1 tablespoon of your truffle oil and salt and pepper to taste. Sprinkle in your bacon. Add your pasta. And then fold in your asparagus so it doesn't break apart. And then enjoy.